rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, 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 done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I guess tryna end me, oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a space.
What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? Ladies and fellas in the back, I see y'all. Nique here, and I'm back with another home update. And in this home update vlog, we'll be going to Gardner White to get furniture, because the furniture places that we've been going to, y'all, have not had nothing in stock. If you are looking for furniture right now, you already know what I'm going through. They've been saying it's gonna be like a couple of months, you know, before they even be able to ship off any furniture, and we're supposed to be moving in the house in December. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'll leave all the home update vlogs down in the description box below, so check those out and stay tuned for the updates. But anyways, so that is on the agenda today. Go to Gardner White and try to get a kitchen table, a dining room table, and maybe a bedroom set. I don't know. We'll see when we get there. But yeah, we also are going to go and check out the house to see if they have anything done up to date. That is what we're going to go and see today after we leave the furniture store. So anyway, let me stop running my mouth and get out of this closet and get ready. I'm actually ready, but I don't know, I just gotta get my purse or whatever. I just got on this black sweater, nothing major. It is pretty cold outside. I have been going through my closet and like putting stuff in bags to give away and donate, so it's just been a mess. I just want to open up the vlog and say hey girl, and let's get our day started. All right y'all, so we in the car right now. We're gonna go pick up my mom. I already told her I'm outside because she always be taking all day, so I don't feel bad about it. Anyway, we about to go get my mama, and then we about to head to Gardner White. Like I said, that's our first stop. I'm about to put on my glasses because for some reason it's so sunny outside. So let's go get my mama and let's ride out. Let ride out. Let ride out. Let ride out. Alright y'all, we made it to Gardner White. Me and my mama here. Oh, she's tying her shoe. Y'all can't see her right now. But we're about to look for 2 tables, and then I'm gonna show y'all the couch that we already got in mind. Say hey mom. Boy, if you don't get she don't never wanna be on camera, y'all. This one is okay. This seems so big. I don't really care for this part, but it's okay. Oh, is it? This one is decent too. I like this one too, but I know it'll get dirty quick. This is really cute though.
Jeez, why they have to put those chairs? Yeah, I like it.
This is cute too. Basic but cute. I'm trying to think about this table. I like it though. It's not like whoa, it's nice, but it's like okay, it's there. It's not bad. Option 1 over there. Option 2 right here. This one is 1800. 11. I really like this one, but this more so basement. But this one was like 1100.
It's so perfect for that area.
And I know, cause it's a circle and just I think we could put this right there. But it's just it's spin right here too, y'all. It's so sweet. You think it's an add-on? I think it comes with it. You can put your breakfast stuff on there and it spin. Alright, so I think this is the one.
Brown at the bottom.
Yeah, the brown at the bottom. The chairs is brown. This won't look too bad with the cabinets. So I'm about to show y'all the couch downstairs that we looking to get. So this is the couch right here that I was telling y'all about that we are getting to match that table upstairs. There you are. There's my mama. It come with these little trays or whatever. That's real convenient. And it comes with, what is this?
Port.
Charging port and lights. And that folds down. Fold it up. So we got this one and this one here. I may put a table in the family room. I don't know yet. It depends. Probably do a, yeah. I'll probably do a side table like my mama said, instead of a table in the middle. But it got a lot of functions and stuff though. It come with a light, so it's really cute. So this is the couch we're getting, y'all. So keep that in mind. Really cute. All that stuff, we're buying it. Yeah, we was walking all on his grass. He's like, what the heck? The sliding doors on there.
They don't paint it though.
Y'all see the pantry doors right there? We can't go in there.
Locked out our own house.
Right, locked out the own crib. Every day they've been over here to the point where I can't even barely record because every day they working on it. But that's a good thing though. They got the garage door down and they got the front door, you know, it's white still. They have to paint it brown. Not brown, black. It's gonna be black. But they actually got something done right here. Remember, this was just a hole. But the door will be black, not white. They got the posts. Y'all already saw those. Hey, the door should have just came black. Who gonna, we better not have to keep repainting it. I'm not gonna keep repainting it. That don't make no sense. But I'm just glad this is bigger enough right here to put 2 chairs, a table. Still for me to put a little plant and a sign or something if I wanted to. And I was thinking about doing maybe some bushes or something. I don't know. We're gonna have to see how the landscape will be. But they already got it ready to pour the cement, right? For the walkway and the driveway and the sidewalk. My mom thinks it's an apple tree that's right by her house. We'll have to see. If it is, that'll be cute to have an apple tree. Alright y'all, so we are back in the car now. I just dropped my mom off at home. My mom / driver's training instructor. We have her out of the car now, so now we can drive how we want to drive. Now that couch that I showed you guys, I got that couch and I got that table, the last table, and the chairs. So we got that down packed. So now we have our kitchen table, we have our couch for the family room. So now all we need is a table for the flex room, and we need a bedroom set for the master suite. We already have the guest bedroom already taken care of. I already have a bed for that and, you know, stuff for that. And we pretty much squared away with, like, you know, the basics. You don't have to move in with all of this stuff. I just want to have this stuff out of the way, you know what I'm saying, because I don't want to just move in with nothing, like I've been saying the last couple vlogs. So I'm happy that I got that taken care of today. So now we are at the car wash because my car is just like rusty. I don't even understand. Like, I swear it's just so annoying. Like, you really have to give your car a bath like you take a bath every day. Like, every day I'm washing these dang on cars. It's getting annoying. This man, he be like telling me to go over. Like, I don't know where to belt at, sir. I'm new to this. It's like, no. Stop. Okay, I'm stopping. All right, I'm going. All right, I'm going. And I think we on there. We're good. All right, neutral. Working at the car wash. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, my camera falling. Oh, let me get off the thing. I I thought they was gonna push me all the way out. All right, so like I was saying, now it's kind of quiet. We couldn't go into the house, duh, like I already said. But last time we went into the house, I'm gonna insert some clips. If you guys did not check out that vlog, you should go check it out. But I guess I could insert some stuff here so you can get a little insight. But they just had the drywall, pre-drywall done and stuff or whatever. They had the tubs in. They do not have like the sinks or the vanity area in the bathroom. They don't have the island, the cabinets or anything. So it's pretty much like a white shell as like I'm showing y'all, but they had the pre-drywall done, which was good. Ugh. It'd be the ugliest car, so loud. Like, why are you so loud? Just loud and wrong. Let me go ahead and go. Hopefully they get the cabinets and stuff up, you know, so we can get some more insight and see what else is going on up in that thing. I'm trying to see the cabinets in that thing. I'm trying to see the utilities, okay? You know? So hopefully they have some more up to date next time we go do an update, because I'm just ready to get in the house, y'all. You know, I'm ready for us to just start our cooking vlogs, our shopping vlogs, our decor vlogs. You know what I'm saying? I'm ready to get in the swing of things. Like, I'm just hoping that we are able to move in December so we can decorate for Christmas and put the Christmas tree up and actually have Christmas at our house this year. If you know me, you know I get all into the holidays. I decorate the whole house. I'm talking like if we have food, I'm making sure it's definitely on theme, okay? I understand the assignment when it comes to decorating and getting holiday parties together, okay? So that's why I'm really just so pressed to move in so we could really do that together. So y'all can really see another side of me, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And maybe it can give y'all some inspo, you know what I'm saying? And I just love hanging with y'all, and I really hope y'all love hanging out with me. And I hope that these videos are informative, because I really am trying to help somebody out there. If not, I hope you like looking at my ugly face or my ashy hands or something. I hope you getting something out of the video, I guess is what I'm trying to say. But anyways, I just want to thank y'all so much for hanging with me. That pretty much wraps up this vlog. Next week, I'm hoping and praying there's more done to the house so that we can get more of a glimpse of what's going on up in that thing. But anyways, I'm still gonna hit y'all up with a video because we here, boo. I gotta check in with y'all. Y'all know what time it is. But anyways, thank y'all so much for hanging with me. I really appreciate it. You know I do, boo. So I'm gonna see you in the next home update vlog. Bye. Mwah.
I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, 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 done.